Wow! What a price! 1 acre lot, septic, water and 3-bedroom 2-bath home within a 5-minute drive of the Pennsylvania Turnpike, Interstate 70 and Lincoln Highway. Adjacent to Buchanan State Game Lands makes this a bargain. The present owner started the restoration of this home by removing floor joist, flooring and overall renovations but is unable to continue. Paint and flooring could transform this home. All new windows are in wait of installation. A newer roof, new shed, windows and well pump add to the value. Don't wait, it won't last long. School district, Oakgrove School. All new replacement windows.